Withdrawing funds from your PayPal account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app. Then enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Once logged in, locate the wallet or balance section on the main dashboard. This is where you can view your available funds. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose Withdrawal Method. You will be prompted to select how you want to withdraw your funds. Options typically include transferring to a linked bank account or requesting a check. Choose your preferred method. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and review the details. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal process. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw your funds from PayPal. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal's customer support for assistance.